All right, hello everybody. This is my presentation on lab-grown meat. I am sorry if you can hear stuff from outside my window. All right, first things first, what is lab-grown meat? All right, lab-grown meat is a product created that mimics meat. They use cellular agriculture where they harvest some cells from the tissue of an animal and then grow it in a lab, and it grows to be a meat-like product. Some of the positives of lab-grown meat is that it eliminates the whole slaughter of animals aspect that is used to get meat. And then also the meat industry has a lot of bad effects on climate change that are reversed with lab-grown meat. So there are some negatives, which is that despite it offsetting the animal impact that comes from meat, it does have an environmental impact, and how those two rival each other is still kind of unclear. Okay, so now what you're wondering is this even ethical? Well, yes. It was basically created to solve an ethical issue, which is what comes with killing animals to get meat. Animal cells are harvested in a procedure that is harmless and animal-friendly. However, in the past, most animal industries do not necessarily treat their animals with the most respect, so that is another problem that may arise. However, lab-grown meat is not widespread enough for that to really have any data. Okay, what do I think? Well, that's a very good question. What do I think about lab-grown meat? Well, I'm a vegetarian because I believe in animal ethics and I don't think that animals should be killed for consumption. But I think lab-grown meat is a great option, obviously, because it's harmless to the animals. However, my reservations with eating it come from some of the research I did said that it tasted weird. And to be honest, I'm not that big of enough of a fan of meat to just want to eat some weird meat just for the sake of it. I'm fine eating, just no meat in general. Okay, well, we've come this far. What's the future of lab-grown meat? Well, it's officially on the market in Singapore. From there, people hope that it will expand and spread to more countries. Okay, now you're like, what does this even have to do with Frankenstein? This is very connected to Frankenstein because people are taking a part of something and then trying to make it into a mimicry of the whole. Similarly to the signs in Frankenstein, this has not produced an exact replica. Is there anything else that you need to worry about? So because this is kind of just like a whole lab-grown thing, there were some safety concerns. However, that has been approved to the same level as regular meat. All right, and that is all for lab-grown meat. I hope you guys are not as grossed out by all these meat videos as I am.